Kuliah pun fibro season 4 teh kan ka video tentang nia page je kan ka result kidan ki artli ki result teh kan ka way kan me intro trick way me pratarik The result of the interview to the post of Sub-Divisional Public Relation Officer under the Directorate of the Information and Public Relation in the Subordinate Officer Office, September 2024, conducted by the Commission on 23rd April 2025, is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate, Shan Bok Lang Thongni on reserve, Da Mehi Lalu Khasjentia, Chang Me Di Sangma Garo, Me Wan Shua Kharshing Khasjentia, and Cherak Di Sangma Garo category. Kini kita jangka post subdivisional public relation dan kena pada way ke result jangka written examination to the post of stenographer grade 3 in Mekhlia Secretariat and under heads of department November 2024. The candidate declared to have passed in order of merit are as follow. Darilinda Umsong on reserve, Iba La Aishishawar on reserve, Matti Babha Karbangar Khasijentia, Irinia Mary Umsong Khasijentia, Wanda Pala Marbanyang Khasijentia, Fida Wansha Arsolia Khasijentia, Dol Tisha Molong Khasijentia, Longevity Mary Lingdo Khasijentia, Iba Dari Shisha Lingdo Moplang Khasijentia, but Cecilia D. Malngyang Khasijentia. No candidate under the Garo and OSTSC category qualified for a written examination. They am not qualified nagi Garo but KSTSC candidate. They ketika post nama tajaki kinsa penwi biang haga next recruitment. Tagi nahi kijing petep kuliah